In this video, I want to explain the accounts I use in this course. When I first started on TikTok, I thought I'd be promoting my business, like my books, my online courses, etc., all my other products. And I used the account at Alex Gnedinic, and I thought I'd promote my business. But within a day or two, I quickly realized, TikTok is more for entertainment. So I had a secondary account at Alex Gnedinic Music. That was just for my music. It's a hobby. But then I kind of killed off at Alex Gnedinic, and I also kind of killed off at Alex Gnedinic Music, which you might see some examples in this course from at Alex Gnedinic Music. But that's kind of dormant now. The only account I'm using now is at Alex Gnedinic. So if you want to check me out, if you want to interact with me, it's all on at Alex Gnedinic. Don't try to go to anything else. And the only content there is my music. I don't try to make money from my music. It's a hobby and a passion project that I'm just sharing. So now that you understand that the only account that I have is at Alex Gnedinic, but some examples in this course may be from my other accounts, I just wanted to explain that. And now that you understand that, let's talk a little bit about how to help each other. You and I can follow each other on TikTok. So if you want to, you just follow me on TikTok and then message me on TikTok and tell me that you're from this course, and I'll message you back. And then I'll follow you back, and then we can like each other's posts. What that does is when you have more likes, more hearts on TikTok, more people watching, that sends positive signals to TikTok and increases the chance that TikTok will promote you in their algorithms, giving you bigger potential. So that's one great way you and I can benefit each other immediately.